Washing machines are getting smarter and smarter, and the LG VX series is no exception. So let's take a look at how these can make laundry day easier. The dial on the front of these machines is intuitive and easy to use. It's got a screen here which lets you navigate through all the different cycle options and even gives you helpful tips and info as you flick through. This is really helpful as it means you always know which is best for your laundry load. All you have to do is select the wash cycle that you want and then press this button here to start the wash, and you can even stop the wash mid-cycle if you need to add another item in last minute. And once it's started, then the screen here will let you know how long is left in the wash. The VX series machines can save you some money in the long run as they're more energy efficient than an A rating, giving you up to 55% better performance than the minimum requirement. They're really fast too. The Turbo Wash 360 cycle uses 4 powerful jets from all angles to blitz through a 5 kg load in under 40 minutes. So if you're in a rush in the morning and you want to hang your washing out before you leave for work, then you're all set. Where they really get smart is in their AI features. AI Direct Drive weighs your laundry load and detects the fabric softness, and then it automatically adjusts the settings to properly care for your clothes so that you don't have to manually change the wash settings for a silk shirt or analyse every care label before a wash. And if it's germs and allergens that you worry about the most, then Steam Technology adds pure water to allergy and baby care programmes to kill off bacteria. It's even been given the British Allergy Foundation seal of approval. You can find all these features in the black and the white models of the VX70 and the VX90. If you'd like more info about these washing machines, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a ShopLive video call.